Appreciate it, brother. Even better. What's going on? It's your boy Machiavelli. Time back on another video. Today we're outside Burattino brick oven pizza. I've been seeing bare viral TikToks and Instagrams about it. Everybody says it's good, so you know me. I gotta pull up, let you guys know what it's saying. Yeah. Hello. You guys have like a black garlic pizza that I've been seeing? I wanted to grab one. Come over here. Okay, let me get like a small. Medium? Let me get a medium? The topping, what is it, like 100 or 120 pepperoni?
Yeah, like 120 pepperoni.
The first picture and the first item. 120, okay, let me get that. Can I make it like half garlic, black garlic, and half like regular?
Unfortunately, we can't do half for medium size. We can do half only for extra large.
Only for extra large? How much is the medium and how much is extra large?
So, for example, the black garlic medium size is $45, and
yeah.
the same pizza for extra large is $38.
$38? Let me get the regular black garlic then.
The medium one?
Yeah. What else do you have to offer, by the way? What are your specialties?
People prefer some other meat pizza, which is called meat lovers. It's third picture.
Meat lovers. Oh.
Yeah, so it's starting in that meat. And if you like something more general and veggie, we also have the different options. You can see right before.
Okay. Let me get the meat lovers. Let me get the meat lovers.
Same size?
Same size. Do you sell anchovies here?
Right?
Anchovies?
Unfortunately, for today it's sold out.
Oh, for today it's sold out. What doing sauce do you have?
So for now we have black garlic, white garlic.
Black garlic, white garlic.
Hot honey and we have hot honey. We have marinara sauce and regular hot sauce.
So let me get. Can I get all those actually? Yeah, let me get all of those. 20 minutes? Okay, let me.
You're right. 9. Wait, 9.
It's gonna be credit? Yeah. I've seen like a lot of viral videos on the internet about this place, so that's what made me come over here. Exactly.
Welcome.
Yeah. I just seen a group of people leave and they're taking pictures, so.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it.
I've never had black garlic on a pizza, so.
I think it's pretty rare item, which
it is. It is.
Any establishment use, so yeah.
All right, so you guys see the establishment. Close is 20 minutes. They seem like nice people. They have good reviews. Hopefully the pizza's popping. Oh, this one looks even better. The meat lover? Oh, look. Love the crunch on that.
Oh, we're from South Florida, so we had several locations in South Florida, and then we decided to open one location here. So right now it's a franchise.
Are you the owner?
I'm the owner. My brother is another owner.
Oh, this is the only location in the city?
Yeah.
Okay.
For now.
For now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're looking forward to open the new location.
Stuff I've seen on the internet is what brought me here.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Like every time I see Burattino pizza, I see the crunch. When they cut the pizza, it's like
That's our thing.
I'm like,
that's our thing.
That's your thing. Yeah. That's awesome, exactly.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah. Appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, take care.
Yeah.
See ya.
The dips are the dips are right there.
So it's white garlic, black garlic, marinara sauce, red hot sauce, and regular hot honey.
Okay. All right, thank you very much. All right, so you already know what time it is. We're gonna review the pizza and the sauces. First off, we got the black garlic pepperoni pizza. As you can see, you got the black garlic everywhere. The crust is nice and crispy. It's not soft or like undercooked. Pepperoni looks amazing. All right, so let's see what this food is saying. First off, first slice. Let them see it. You see the grease? You see the grease? You see the crust? Take a bite. Wow. To be honest, I didn't expect the black garlic to be so tasty. Yeah, this is a solid pizza still. Visually, the crust is like perfectly crispy. It's not too thick, as you can see. Pepperoni is well cooked. You can see it folding up in the air. The black garlic, my first time having it, ain't gonna lie. It's hitting. It's hitting. It has a little bit of a different flavor. I feel like it's just a little bit better than the regular marinara sauce you get on your pizza. Look at the edge of the pizza. You see that crisp? Perfectly cooked. This is that oven brick cooked pizza. Can't go wrong with that. All right. Oh, I gotta try this with some of the sauce. Oh. We got their garlic sauce. Let's see what this garlic sauce is saying. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Let me just try it again real quick just to make sure my taste buds aren't playing with me. Yeah, this is a pretty solid garlic sauce still. The garlic sauce, I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. It's hitting still. Doesn't leave a weird aftertaste or any of that weird stuff. There's more sauces here, but all right, let me try this out. So we got the black garlic sauce. It's not too black. It has more of a red tint to it. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but I'm gonna try it out. Not bad. It tastes like your regular marinara sauce, but it has a little bit more of a punch to it. So I can't complain. Right? Overall, I'm gonna give this like a. This here, I'm gonna give this like a. Yo, I don't even eat marinara sauce, so but I like this, so I give this like a 9. To be honest, solid sauce. As you can see, we got another sauce here. I don't really remember exactly what it's called. Visually, you should be able to tell if you go there. So, oh, hold up. Look at that. Look at that. There has to be honey. There has to be honey in there. Let me take a dip. Oh, hell. Oh, yeah, you can taste the honey in this still. Okay. To be honest, I've never had honey with pizza. Well, I'm not gonna knock this. It's actually pretty good still. I'm not gonna hate on this. This sauce right here, the honey sauce, I'm gonna give this like a 8 out of 10. All right, so we got the meat lovers pizza. As you can see, loaded up with all kinds of meat. Lots of pork on that. I don't see any chicken. So if you eat halal, better stay far from that. Anyhow, let me grab a bite. We're gonna eat it with the plain Jane first. Let me see that. Let me see the crust. All right, take a bite. Not bad. Not bad. I mess with this. I can't complain. Let me try with the sauce. It looks like there's like beef, ground beef. This is like some kind of salami, pepperoni, ham, potentially sausage, and then you got your cheese and you got your black garlic. Oh, there's no black garlic sauce in this. Sorry. We're gonna try it with the dipping sauce. Okay. Yep. Yep. This is fire still. Yep. I know I'm looking messy as a motherfucker right now, but can't go wrong with this. So let me try with the other sauce. We got the black garlic sauce. As you can see, I'm gonna dip it in here. Not bad. To be honest, this black marinara sauce is kind of giving like a barbecue-ish kind of taste to it. A little bit of like a sweet kind of taste to it. But it's fire though. I guess that's what makes me liking it. We'll try it with the honey dip. Whew. Look at that honey. You see that honey? See the texture of that? It's not even like. Look at that. Nah, that's actually pretty good still. I actually prefer the honey over the black garlic dip when it comes to this slice of pizza. I don't know what it is, but it adds a different type of flavor to this. Solid. With the meat lovers pizza, overall, taste, texture, flavor, I'm gonna give it like a 8 out of 10. It's a solid pizza. It got a good taste to it. Can't go wrong with it. Try it out. The pepperoni pizza with the black garlic specialty sauce. I'm not gonna lie, this here is fire still. What I would give this overall over 10, I'm gonna give this like a 10 out of 10. It's a solid pizza. I got a great taste. Crust is amazing. I never had nothing like this in Toronto, to be honest. So what can I really say? They're doing something nobody else is doing. Zoom in on that. Let them see that beautiful pizza. See the pepperoni? Well done. You got a little curl to it. Crust is amazing. Hear that? Oh my God. Can't go wrong. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed the experience that we had at Burattino Pizza. Overall, I'll give this place like a, when it comes to like customer experience, I have to give it like a 10 out of 10. These people are nice. They told me next time I come, I don't gotta pay shit. So can't go wrong there. Anyhow, leave a comment in the comment section, like the video. You already know it's your boy Machiavelli. I'm out.